Ken here with FPV Drone Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Diatone GT Marauder 5L. So this is their new frame that claims to be the lightest 5-inch frame on the market. It's a unibody with aluminum framing, and there's some interesting things about it that we're going to talk about. So here we're going to open it up, we're going to weigh it and see if their 40-gram claim is even close to what it actually is. The first thing you might notice, that I noticed before I even took this out, these motor mounts are not for 22 series motors. They're for 18 series motors. So they advise that you use an 1806 for a 5-inch quad. Nobody's done that in a long time, so we're gonna see how that turns out, but let's see here. So our base plate alone comes in at 34 grams. So I don't have a lot of hope that this is actually going to hit their goal. Well, let's get this. Everything comes nice packaged. And I've used Diatone GT frames before and they've been very nice. But let's see if it's 40. So this is already 6.5. All right, so we're at 41, so that's not far. Now let's add the screws. All right, so as you can see, as always with Diatone frames, they do look very nice. You have a very slight chamfer on all the edges, so you don't have to get your files out and make a giant mess. This one looks very clean. I seem to be missing a screw, or I used the wrong screws, but we'll just leave that one in there for weight's sake. Well, let's see how close to 40 grams fully assembled this guy actually is. So that is not that bad. 43 grams for a 5-inch. Now, like I said, this uses 1806 motors, which is an interesting design choice, but it is a 5-inch frame and weighs 40 grams. Well, 43 to be exact, but that is darn close. That is about 1 gram lighter than the latest Ghost frame that I've seen. So there you have it. The GT Marauder 5L.